Assalamu alaikum. Today we will create these eggshells into beautiful art pieces. In this video, we will discussing and demonstrating how to create a beautiful and colorful acrylic painting on eggshells. We will start by discussing some of the supplies that you need for this project: acrylic colors and empty eggshells that you have for your breakfast or anything else. Empty eggshells are required, and a box of cardboard or anything basket in which we put them at the end. And then we will show you how to create the painting itself. Hope you enjoy the video. Like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more creativity of our videos. Start, I just put simple acrylic colors of different colors on eggs and let them dry, and after these paintings I painted small leaves or green color or yellow color flowers, anything else you love. Go. Look at them, this looks amazing. And now we will start painting on a metal box. In the end I will put these eggs into it. If you don't have any metal box, you need a cardboard box or a basket. Now I will creating a small leaves or dots or any pattern you need on your eggshells that you love. And here is the final product. Hope you like it. Jazakallah.